Hello ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to give a quick overview of the Feniex lighting system that we had installed on this truck and explain some of the advantages of it. Here is the Feniex controller that we chose. We have it now to where you can do the toggles for amber only, amber white, and then red and blue with siren. All right, then we also have up here where we can go yellow lights only for towing. Yellow and white. Red and blue. Or we can turn on all of them on white. We also have this upper one is the torch light that I will show later on, but the main thing about this is we can go from amber to amber white to red and blue to scene lighting, white light only, with just simple push of a button or the flip of this toggle switch. We also have the siren functions at the push of a button. But again, here we go, amber only, and that's all the way around on all the Feniex lights. We have amber and white, and we have red and blue. Then we're still not finished. Like I said, we can go all white and turn on the torch light, which is an adjustable scene light. Pretty amazing stuff, y'all. All right, I'll show in more detail in actual on highway scenarios coming up, but for now this gives you a good overview of the control pad and the functions where we can switch between the different colors at ease, and it will. So if we transfer in between states, we can switch back to amber, where we're not allowed to run red and blues in Illinois. We can switch to amber. Anyway, this has so many benefits to us, especially in Missouri, where we are allowed to run the red and blues and a siren. This was fantastic collaboration with us and Feniex, and cannot thank them enough. As always, thank you for watching, and God bless.